Welcome to part 29, dashboard.py complete. So there's just a couple more lines of code that I want to discuss at the bottom of this file. So we have this conditional if dunder name is equal to the string dunder main, then execute this run server method. So this line of code will only get executed when we run dashboard.py from the command line. So when you do so, Python itself will implicitly set this special dunder name variable to the string dunder main, which means that this line of code will get run and will launch the dashboard. Now, when we run our dashboard in production, we're not going to use this method. We're going to use something else. And if you recall, if we look back over here at our terminal, it says explicitly, this is a development server, do not use it in production. So this method won't allow for many concurrent users. We're going to use a different approach in order to handle tens or thousands of users that land on our dashboard. Okay, so that covers the entire dashboard.py file, and hopefully all of the comments and the doc strings will help you understand it even further.